Hi guys, welcome to Onaji's kitchen. Today we are going to make a very healthy and quick lockdown smoothie. So let's see what we required. 2 scoops of ice cream, any kind of like, and 2 bananas, half tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon soaked and fluffy chia seeds, strawberries and goji berries with a few mint leaves, whatever fruit you have you can use, milk. Put some milk in the blender, ice cream, banana, and honey as well, and the berries, and chia seeds. Give it a go for 5 to 7 minutes. It is ready. I'm gonna put it in the glass. Let's try it now. Mmm, fantastic. Give it a go, try it, and please like and share it with your friends and family and subscribe my channel, Onaji's Kitchen. Thank you. See you.